Good morning, class. Today I'm going to give you your homework instructions on how to complete your homework for this week. So you don't have anything in the book. All you're going to do is get your homework sheet and work from your homework sheet, okay? So it says for day 1, Monday, and your homework is the initial side of the keyboard. So you're going to write each one 3 times perfect, each row. So you're going to write STP, and so I misstroked it, so I'm going to start over. So it's STPHSKWRHPTSRDK, and I misstroke it. So I start over. Okay? So here we go. Take your time. STPHSKWRHPTSRD, and then K, and then S. Check it. Go back up. And I know this is a little tedious to check it, but here we go. STPHSKWRHPTS, and then RDKS. Perfect. So I'm going to write it again because that's my perfect one. So just to let me know, I'm starting over, and then you can scroll down on your notes. Just scroll down. And so here's my second row. STPHSKWRHPTSRDKS. Check it. And we've got STPHSKWRHPTS, and then you have RDKS. RDKS, perfect. And one more time. And so STPHSKWRHPTSRDKS. Check it to make sure you have 3 perfect. And so here I start. I go to my PF, STPH, SKWR, and then we've got HPTS, and then I've got RDKS. Perfect. So I'm done because I did 3 perfect rows. Had I messed up anywhere in that row, I have to start over at the very beginning with the S. So 3 times perfect, okay? Then on the final side, you're going to do it 3 times perfect. There's only 2 rows. So on the final side, okay? Remember, initial side, it says it at the top, final side, and so you're going to just write, I'll just do one perfect one, okay? Final side is FPLT, RBGS, TLP, FRB, GSS, So I'm going to try it and see if I did it right. FPLT, RBGS, and then we've got TLP, and so I misstroked it because I hit an F instead. So make sure your hands are in the home position, okay? So let me redo it. So 3 times, 1, 2, 3, to let Monica know. And so here we go. Final side. F, P, L, T, R, B, G, S, and then I've got T, and then I've got L, and then I've got P, F, and then I've got R, B, and I'm doing it slow because I don't want any mistakes, G, S, S, G, B. So check it. I'm going to go back up. Make sure I did it correctly. Check it to your homework sheet. So I've got on the final side FPLT, RBGS, TLPF, RBG, RBGS, SGB. Perfect. So I'm going to complete how many more? 2 more. Okay? Take your time. And then the third part of it is both hands. So anytime you see an S by itself, it's the initial side. When you see an asterisk in front, or a hyphen in front of the letter, it's final side. So if it's just regular, it's just going to be S, T, K, asterisk, P, W, H, R, asterisk, A, O, asterisk, E, U, asterisk. And then now it's final side, final F, final R, final P, final B, final asterisk, and then final L. So check it, okay? And so I start with the both hands. It's S-T-K asterisk P-W-H-R asterisk A-O asterisk E-U asterisk, and then you've got final F. It's on this right side. Final R, final P, final B, asterisk, final L. So I check it, and I'm going to write 3 times perfect. If I make a mistake, I start over at the very beginning of that section, of the very beginning of the row, okay? Then type the following words 3 times perfect each column. So we've got weld through sad. So I'm going to write it 1, weld, odd, swell, warp, shot, tab, sad. Check it, and I'm going to write 3 times perfect. Weld, remember odd is written O-D, odd. You have the steno outlines there, so you know how to write it. Swell, warp, shot, tab, sad. So that's 1 perfect time. I'm going to write it again. Weld, odd, swell, warp, shot, tab, sad. Okay? Check it. Perfect. Check your notes over here, and then I'm going to go and write it again 3 times perfect. Weld, odd, swell, warp, shot, tab, sad. Okay? Check it. It's perfect. And so now I'm going to go down to the second column and write that perfect. Craft, step, curl, pod, crop, scrap, chop. Check it. And then you're going to write it 3 times perfect each column, okay? Check your work. If you make a mistake over with scrap and you wrote scrop, start over at the very beginning of the column. Very, very important. And then you have more words on the next page. And then type the following sentences twice perfect. On your homework sheet, it just reminds you how to write with, are, a at the very top there, is, the, can, is the, with the, are the, final S, final ED, ending final G. So type the following sentences twice perfect each one. So I've got number 1. I don't know the numbers yet, so I'm not going to write numbers. So I'm going to write, is the rug red, question mark. Include your punctuation. One more time. Is the rug red, question mark. Remember to put is the together. It's 1 stroke. So on your sentences, if something's highlighted, it should be 1 stroke, okay? And then you have the steno there in the bottom of the sentence. Each sentence twice perfect. Take your time, check your work, complete extras if you'd like, okay? And make sure that you take your time, that you check everything. If you want to complete extras, you can. That's it for today. Have a great day, you all.